Every single day, countless people struggle with problems like indigestion, bloating, constant stomach pain, diarrhea, frequent infections, low immunity, among others. These are issues many of us accept as normal. But what if a common leaf in your kitchen could change that? Meet St. Leaf, Ocimum gratissimum, long used by my parents to treat various ailments, and now backed by science for its healing power. Researchers have found that St. Leaf contains rich essential oils, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds that give it antimicrobial, anti-diarrhea, anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate 3 different and practical ways to prepare St. Leaf, each method targeted at specific health issues. These are verified methods used by my parents and have equally proved its efficacy over numerous ailments. So make sure you stay till the end, because I will also reveal a group of people who should avoid eating St. Leaf and when caution is necessary. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This first method, I'll take few St. Leaves and wash them thoroughly, then chew it. After chewing, I will top it down with clean water. This method is effective for ailments like dysentery, stomach disturbances, and even mouth odor. So let's get at it now. So after cutting a few leaves, I get a clean water and pour in some amount of salt, mix well, and soak the leaves inside the salt solution for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm here back again. So I make sure I clean thoroughly, cleaning each leaf. I got this from my garden, you know, but if you got yours from the local markets or anywhere, it means you have to still clean, like I'm cleaning mine. So I'll take it to the wash basin now to rinse thoroughly. And here I have a very clean St. Leaves. I'm not done yet. I will still clean with cleaner water. This is bottled water, just to prevent any eventuality. So I rinse it well and bring it out of the water and chew. Just chew it. The taste is not sweet. It has a kind of tangy taste. So I wash it down with clean water. And that is it. So this second method I'm demonstrating is for those who want to detox their body, fight mouth odor, and freshen their system from inside out. So I start by cutting the leaves. Already you saw me how I went into the garden to pick a handful of St. Leaf. So let's prepare it together, my people. Before we continue, if you are learning something new today, don't just watch and go. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me reach more people who need to hear this kind of natural wisdom, because many are suffering from things that local herbs can easily handle. Alright, let's continue. So after cutting the leaves from the stem, it's time for us to cook now. So I bring in a little quantity of salt just to act as a cleaning agent. I'll wash it over the sink thoroughly. And here I have a clean St. Leaf. And it's time for me to cook. Inside the pot I have 2 cups of water, and just put all the leaves inside and cover. Allow to boil for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, here we have our St. Leaf tea. Very easy and simple. Our tea is ready. I put off the flame and allow to cool down properly. And after it cools off, You can now take 1 cup of this tea in the morning, first thing in the morning and late at night for 5 days if you want to detox your entire body system. Some people say that they use it for purify the kidney. I've not tried that yet. You can. And if there is any other way you use a scent leaf to detox, let me know, or to treat any other ailment in the body. Let me know in the comment section below. Before you start boiling scent leaves, please take note that pregnant women and anyone trying to get pregnant should avoid using scent leaf for any ailment. It's powerful, but it must be used with wisdom. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I'll show you how to cook scent leaves with other common ingredients for body detox, postnatal recovery, and boosting your immune system naturally. Stay healthy, stay natural, and remember, our healing truly begins from the leaves in our kitchen.